in this problem, we have a triangle with side lengths of 5, 7, and x, and we have an angle of 136 degrees between 5 and 7. So in this problem, I'm going to use the law of cosines. Why? Well, we have an angle of 136 degrees, and we're given that the sides right next to that angle are 5 and 7. So whenever you're given two sides and the angle between them, and you need to find the opposite side to that angle, is usually a law of cosines problem. So let's review that. Law of cosines says that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times cosine of c. And now let's define a, b, c, and angle c. So angle c is just 136 degrees because, well, we weren't given another angle in the problem. A and b are always the sides right next to angle c. So therefore, 5 and 7 are a and b. So I'll just call 5a, I'll call 7b. And then now that side length of x in the corner, or at the top, that's just our side c. Now let's plug these all in and solve. So c squared, that's side c, which is just side x. X squared is equal to a squared is 5, so 5 squared. B squared is 7 squared. Minus 2 times 5 is a, 7 is b. And then cosine of angle c is 136. And then now we just need to compute this. So let me just rewrite x squared. And then 5 squared is 25. 7 squared is 49. And then minus 2 times 5 times 7 is 70. And then cosine of 136 is equal to negative 0.719. Don't be intimidated by the fact that this cosine is negative. Cosine can be negative. And then now just continue to simplify. 25 plus 49 is 74. And then minus 70 times minus 0.719. Well, two negatives cancel to make a positive when you multiply them. And you should get that this is equal to positive 50.35. And then you do 74 plus 50.35. That's just 124.35. And this is all equal to x squared. Now take the square root of both sides. Square root cancel out the square roots. So just compute the square root of 124.35. And you should get that x is equal to 11.15. And that's our answer. So I can just fill this in here. So this means that this side is 11.15. And we're done.